Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to host Lovable website for free. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dv and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your project dashboard where all your websites and apps are listed. From here, choose the project you want to publish. Make sure you select the correct one if you have multiple projects. Next, click on your project to open its workspace. In the top right corner, you'll see the Publish button. Click on it to start the deployment process. A settings panel will appear, but for a simple setup, you can leave all the default options as they are, since they are already optimized for most projects. After confirming, click Publish again. Lovable will now build and deploy your website. You'll see a progress indicator while the system processes your project, so just wait until it completes. Once publishing is finished, Lovable will generate a live URL ending in .lovable.app. Copy this link and open it in a new tab to view your website live on the internet. You can now share this link with anyone, and they'll be able to access your published site instantly. So that's basically how you can host Lovable website for free. That's it for this video. Thanks.